It's not even like an ardent desire. Understand, that's all you know. All your life, you've only been in cravings and fears, cravings and fears, cravings and fears. So that's all you know. So a teacher like Maharaj has to explain it only in the language that you know, no? Even if it transforms to something else, he will find it very difficult to coin a new word that is not there in your dictionary. So he has to use the same words. Similarly, like I explained Maryada today. Ask any other lay person outside this Nirsargadatta group, they'll be like, what? How can Maryada be that? Because there is no word in any language on the planet Earth to describe that the mind is controlling the body. There is nothing like that existing. Science does not accept this fact. How can you even have such? It's a hypothetical concept. It's a fantasy for them. So it doesn't. You understand the limitation? There is no word. So Maryada is just a word that Maharaj used. It was translated into self-control into English, totally taken out of context. Somebody who's reading this book without a proper understanding or proper experientially going within will get totally lost, right? So, similarly, we have to use the words that you know to bring you to this side. When you come to this side, you start recognizing that, yeah, it was that Tadmudi initially, but when it comes here, I recognize, oh, I am that, what I am calling Tadmudi. I am that, what I'm calling desire. I am that which in which fear arises. So there is no more Dvaitam left here. The Dvaitam dissolves, it becomes Advaitam. And there is no word to explain it again. That is why you're not feeling the desire and feeling the oneness, because it is dissolving into the Advaitam. So again, there is no word in the dictionary to talk about this other than saying Advaitam, which does not still convey it. Only somebody who experientially gets there through his own aparoksha jnana recognizes it. Got it? So now there'll be lots of such things which will have to be elaborately explained. Some weird word is used for it, but it really means something else experientially. This is going to happen more and more as we move ahead.